Okay, welcome to Web Hosting for Newbies. So this is part one. Basically what I want to do is I want to break down web hosting and how to get a domain name and how to host your website right from the beginning. So you've heard how people can make a lot of money online by setting up a website or a blog or whatever it is that you want to do, or you have your business already and you just want to go online with it and you want to know how to conquer that. Well, there's a lot of resources online that offer different services and make it really easy. So starting a website now compared to even 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago when I started my first website, it's became a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is, first off, is the number one thing is once you have your idea, you need to be able to go out and get your domain name. Well, what I've done here on my site called privatebrandhosting.com, you want to just go right here and I'll step you right through the steps. I have right at the beginning, as you can see, domain name availability. All you have to do is type in let's say your website at .com and check, see if it's available. Okay, so it's going to take you to the next page, and as you can see here, it's actually free. Okay, but the big thing is okay, so the domain name basically is just going to take you to your website. Okay, but the problem is you don't just need the domain name, you have to host your website somewhere. Okay, and now there's all these different fancy kind of things, but 99.999% of us, including myself, for some of my websites, use what's called shared hosting. Now all shared hosting is that there's it's kind of like a mutual fund for investments, is that you're basically taking one big server and sharing it with other website owners. Now it's completely secured, nobody can ever get on yours, and what that is it just makes it so it's a lot more affordable for you, because you really don't need a dedicated server, because you're not going to have billions of users like Facebook or Google. Hopefully someday you have that problem, and when you do, you can always upgrade. So all you want to do is just go to the shared hosting, and on here it goes over all the different packages. And again, 99.99% of us only need the starter package. Okay, so you click on that, you go ahead and order it. Now the great thing is it's extremely affordable. Okay, you set up an account, it's about $4.88 a month, right? And you choose your domain name right here, yourwebsite.com. Okay, and you go through the process, you go ahead and check out, you pay for an entire year right up front. That way you don't have to worry about renewing it every month or anything like that. Well, the beautiful thing about that is now you are about 88% done of having your website. You have the two main components that you need to actually set up a website. You have your name, and now you have your hosting so that people can get to your website and what you want to display. So what's next? You just have to create the website. Now, yes, you can go and hire a professional website designer, if you have a really unique idea and plan. But for a lot of us, what you want to do is just start with something that's affordable, something that's free. And so what I've done here is, as you can see right here, I have a section called free extras. After you sign up here, it's going to take you here, and as you can see, it says we have free script installers. You can, right here is a section to build a blog, discussion boards, e-commerce websites, calendars, all kinds of things. There's hundreds of different templates out there that are really easy. You don't have to have any kind of technical skills, and it's a really good place for a lot of you to start, so you can kind of understand what the internet has to offer for you and your business. And as you learn, you can build more and more sites. And as you can see here, I have a private brand hosting design tool and studio, and again, it's just talking about how you get a free domain. Now I know there's not very many people out there that really offer a free domain when you do hosting, so that's a really big plus. So anyhow, this is just part one of a series. I'm going to go through in part two. I'm going to go ahead and go into the back end of it so you can see how to get your different templates and everything else going. And then we'll go into the control panel, which is kind of like an admin tool for a website owner. But it's all really easy. What you need to do before you watch the next video is go ahead and get set up on your, pick your website name, and go ahead and get registered with that starter package for web hosting, and then we'll get you started on how to design it, and you're on your way. Good luck, and feel free to email me. It's Tyler@privatebrandhosting.com. Hope to hear from you.